Hey everybody, it's Eileen with KidFunIdeas.com and I'm here with a really quick craft and game for you today. Today I thought we would make little flying disc frisbees and they're super quick, super simple, only need a couple of supplies and then you can have some fun playing catch back and forth. For this craft you're going to need 2 paper plates, a stapler, some scissors, a small cup to or a bowl like this one to draw the circle in the middle, and that's pretty much it. So you grab your stuff and I will meet you right back here and we'll get started. So for this one we need 2 paper plates, and what you'll need to do is take your pencil and trace all the way around both paper plates in the center so that you cut out the same size shape out of both of them. The next thing you're going to want to get something and poke a hole in the middle like that with maybe like a pencil and use your scissors to cut out the shape. So I'm going to cut mine out real quick. Okay, once you have them both cut out, and they don't have to be perfectly cut out, you're going to turn them both over and you're going to decorate them. I just used crayons and markers to just draw a simple design, but this one I'm going to use paints on it, and I have these really neat dot paints, and I think I'll just make some dots on them. You can make whatever kind of design you think looks really cool. I'm going to make both of these kind of the same. Go with some pink in between that orange. The dot paints are really kind of cool. They're a little less messy than regular paints. And what's neat is you can go dotting around like this, or you can just drag them around and make a straight line like this. You kind of have to squeeze while you're going. And if it's too hard for you to cut a circle out of the center, cut a square or a diamond or something else. The only thing that these things really need is, this one's out of gas, is a hole in the center so that they can fly a little easier. Okay, we're just going to go around this blue. It's tricky on the curve. And if you've got a paper plate that you've used for a different project, painting project that you use the inside area for, and it's all messy from like dried up paint, use that paper plate because you can still use that no matter what the inside has on it. Just what the outside, just what the back has on it. Okay, I think I'm almost done. I like the way this looks. Kind of groovy. All the way around. This one too. These dot paints are really spiffy because they dry almost immediately. Okay, I like the way that looks. Okay, so now I've got my 2 paper plates with the cutout centers. I've got them both decorated. I'm going to put one down this way and one on top and make a sandwich. Then I'm going to use my stapler and staple it together along the edge here. Try to line up the 2 paper plates all the way around. Probably about 5 staples will work. And there you go. Now you've got a flying saucer. So there you have it, a quick and easy project to do. Now let's see how these guys work. I'm going to try to go and throw them into my here. Ready? Ooh, pretty good. Here goes at number 2. So fun. All right, next time I see you, I will have another fun project or game. Bye for now.